All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about this guy right here. He's kind of an asshole. Not this guy. This guy is cool. I really appreciate him today. But this guy over here, yeah, that guy's a dick. Check this out. Here I am today, coming up the road, going up the hill. Oh, just coming down 97. Right about the time I get into this passing lane coming up, we're going to get to the right lane. This little Ford Ranger is going to start passing me on the left. Now, you see this truck coming around the corner right here? Any minute. There it is, right there. Yeah, there's a little box truck right there. He's in for a rude awakening real quick. See, here he comes now. And all of a sudden, he kind of looks like he's trying to slow down. Kind of moving off to the right a little bit, like that. See, he had to go across the white line. Why, you ask? Well, there's this little fucktard right here. Yeah, that one. He's kind of an idiot. He went around that Ranger passing me into the oncoming traffic and barely missed a head-on collision with that box truck. See, here's your little Ranger now. He finally got around me. He was pretty loaded down. Took a little bit to get up the hill right there. But, now that little silver car, he is freaking gone. Watch when I get up to the top of this hill. You can't see him anymore. He flat took the hell off. He must be rolling down the road, right? Well, thankfully, a little while later, this happens. Oh, look what we have here! Yeah, fuck you! That guy deserved that shit, that's for sure.